reposition the windows to be equal distant from each other. Under the Annotate tab in Dimension panel, we will select Aligned Dimension command to place dimensions for the windows on the west wall. We will go to the north wall, and we will notice that the wall center line is highlighted, so we'll click to start our Align Dimension command and zoom in a little closer. And when the center line of the window is highlighted, that's where we will click the blue line. Click again, blue line, click again, and you can zoom and pan while you're working. That's fine under placing the dimensions with the wheel of your mouse. And then we will highlight this center line of the interior wall, zoom out a little bit further so you can see, click to almost place the dimensions. We will highlight where the dimension equality sign is crossed out and click that, and now the windows are equal distant from each other, also from the north wall and the interior wall right here as well. Hit select escape to get out of place dimension command, and we will do a little experiment here to move the interior wall of the room. We'll click it, and when we click the wall, the modify wall contextual tab lights up on top, and we will move, left click and just drag up the interior wall. And what's nice is that the windows all move together, equal distance from each other, still the same, but equal distance, and matches and stays in line with the room, even though you move the interior wall. And now, of course, if you move the left click and drag and move the wall a little bit further, then of course you probably get an error eventually. And it's like we're not, because it looks like the windows are still going to fit. If we keep stretching it, left click and keep stretching, eventually the windows are just going to overlap, and that really won't be a great design at all. So you have to be very careful of how far you can go. So we will go to the quick access toolbar on top, select undo, undo, undo again. We'll do one more undo. Oops, okay, we went a little bit too far, so we'll go back to redo, and we will leave this right here for a good stopping point.